Okay, so I finally bought the battery I needed for my riding lawnmower. It's been about 6 or 7 years since I got a battery, and the last couple of years I've had to jumpstart my lawnmower several times during the summer, and I'm just done. It was overdue time to get a battery. So I decided to go look on Amazon. I also price checked at Costco. This one has 320 cold cranking amps. I looked at a couple at Costco and one had very, very low cold cranking amps, and I wanted my lawnmower to start pretty quickly. There was one that was a little bit cheaper than this there, but the cranking amps were really low and it wasn't as good a quality. And then there was one that had about the same amount of cranking amps, but it was a lot more expensive. So I opted to get this one off Amazon. So let's go put it in my riding lawnmower and see how well it works. So taking out the old battery was super easy. You just had to undo these two bolts and then it slipped right out. The new battery was really nice because it has a handle. So you can just pick it up, put it in. It made it really easy to install. And again, you just put it in, push it in and make sure it's tightly in there. And it also comes with the bolts that you need, the bolts and nuts. And you just put those back on, those two back on, and you're ready to go. Okay, the new battery is in. Let's start her up.